In this video, I will show you how to add latest social media follower alerts to OBS. First of all, you have to go to streamlabs.com website and log into your Streamlabs account. Once done, click on your profile photo and here click on account settings. In account settings page, select platforms and here you get all social media options. Now, for example, you want to show your latest Facebook follower alert to your OBS. So make sure you have linked or connected your Facebook with Streamlabs. The same way you can go ahead and link your Twitch, YouTube, Kik, TikTok, Trovo and Twitter account. After that, you have to come to this left-hand menu and select alert box. And here, click on preview and we can see my current alert preview. Now it's time to customize these. First of all, make sure to enable the widget or plugin from here and then click on this layout drop down and go ahead and select the layout. I'm selecting image above text. Now we can see the image option. We have to add here our image. You can upload an image from your computer by clicking here, or you can just go ahead and copy our image link from browser and add the image link by clicking on URL and add here the image link and click on select. Once the image added, hover over on text and hover over on any of the social media options, select follows and we can see the preview. Now to change the alert duration, you can just go ahead and adjust your alert duration from here and you can also adjust text delay duration here. Then scroll down and here you can also change the sound. You can the same way upload a sound from a PC. You can also use a sound URL and you can adjust the sound volume here, and here is the font settings section. From here you can change your text font, you can change your text size, font width, text color and text highlight color. Now here is the main background color section. From here you can just go ahead and customize your alert background. Click on preview and here we can see the preview, and here alert animation, you can go ahead and change any alert animation from this list, and you can also select here fade out, fade in, and you can also change text animation, and here we can see the preview. Now all you have to need, if you want to change this text part, just come here and you can now go ahead and change this text part. Don't edit this variant, then just click on save settings. Once the widget saved, just click here to copy your widget link. Now go back to your OBS, under sources click on this plus icon, select browser and giving here latest follower alert, and in this URL box paste the widget URL and click on OK. Now I'm going to my Streamlabs, hover over on text and let's hover over on Facebook, selecting follows, going back to my Streamlabs, and here we can see the latest follower alert showing on my OBS. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.